EIT Digital sees itself as a catalyst. There's a lot of activities going on. EIT Digital brings together the key players. We have 130 partners all over Europe, from industry, from universities, from research centers, that are all focused on bringing technology to the market. That's really our emphasis. Next to that, we work a lot on education, because our statement is no innovation without education. If you look at Europe and you look at entrepreneurship and innovation, it is now really on the map. We have had periods where we focused a lot on research and development. More recently, we are really discovering that bringing these results to the market is what it is all about. And that is taking off. That's taking off. We see it in our network. We see universities setting up incubators. We see a lot of focus on entrepreneurship in education. We see entrepreneurs being really respected, motivated, supported, also from the Commission, but also at the national level. So I think the current period in Europe is a very, very good period for entrepreneurship. I'm always very excited to be at NetFutures, and of course this year, same story. It's very important in such an important area as a foundation for the development of the digital market in Europe, that we see the ones that bring these technology contributions from Europe to the market, present here and presenting, I would say, the best of Europe. So it's a very good initiative. We're very happy to support it because we see it as a key element for developing the digital single market.